Hospitals preparing for a post-holiday COVID rush. People are still traveling to ring in the new year. And so now the number of people with COVID-19 already in local ICUs is concerning to some healthcare workers. On your side's Troy Kless joins us now from UF Health. And Troy, workers say they are watching their bed count very closely.
They are, Jeannie. UF Health's Jacksonville's two campuses, including this one here in downtown and their one on the north side of town, are holding 94 COVID patients, 30 of whom are in the ICU right now. That number getting closer to the peak that they saw at this hospital system over the summer.
On a night when most hospitals prepare to be busy, Northeast Florida hospitals watching the numbers closely as nearly 100 people with COVID are hospitalized at UF Health.
I mean, it's fairly alarming, to be honest. We're well within our second wave here at UF Health Jacksonville. We had a peak COVID patient census of about 111 patients at any given point, and that happened in July.
Dr. Chad Nielsen, Infection Prevention Director for UF Health, saying it's concerning to him when the city's ICU gets close to 90% capacity ahead of another holiday weekend.
It's fairly concerning, particularly with a weekend like New Year's Eve coming up, where we know there tends to be more ICU admissions, more trauma admissions because more people are on the roads and traveling.
State data show that as of this afternoon, fewer than 11% of ICU beds are available across Duval County. For all 7 Northeast Florida counties, 467 people are in the ICU, with 12% of beds available. Keep in mind that includes COVID and non-COVID related illnesses. At Baptist Health, their numbers show a similar story. 164 patients with COVID, 22 in the ICU.
Those numbers have been steadily creeping up over the past several weeks to a couple of months or so.
Dr. Elizabeth Ransom says while there is some worry, ICU numbers are fluid. She says her hospital is prepared if there is an influx of patients from emergencies or from COVID.
We monitor the situation moment by moment, hour by hour, actually. But we do feel confident that we're ready should we start to see increasing numbers of patients coming into the hospital.
Now, some of the steps taken include stocking up on PPE for healthcare workers and also opening a surge capacity unit here at UF Health in case they see that large influx. We're live at downtown. Troy Kless, First Coast News, on your side.
It's all about being prepared. Troy, thank you. You know, all of us are feeling the strains of this pandemic.